data. It's not just a criminal who seek your personal data. Number 1, ISP, Internet Service Provider. Your Internet Service Provider or ISP track your online activities, and in some countries they can sell this data to advertisers for profit. Number 2, advertisers. Targeted advertising is part of the internet experience. Advertisers monitor and track your online activity, such as shopping habits and personal preferences, targeted at your way. Number 3, search engine and social media platform. Number 3, search engine and social media platform. This platform gather information about your gender and your location, number, and political and religious ideology based on your search history and online identity. This information is then sold to advertisers for a profit. Number 4, website you visit. Website use cookies to track your activity in order to provide a more personalized experience, but this leaves a data trail that is linked to your online identity that can often end up in the hand of advertisers.